Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to eat or defeat other snakes in snake.io. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open snake.io game on your device and start playing. Move around to collect glowing orbs. This helps your snake grow longer and stronger before you face others. To defeat other snakes, try to cut them off by moving in front of their head. When they hit your body, they'll explode into glowing foods. Avoid direct head-to-head collision since that will make you lose. Always go for a side or diagonal movements to trap opponents. Use your boost button at the right time to quickly get in front of another snake or escape tight situations. If you see a large snake, don't attack recklessly. Wait for them to crash into someone else, then collect their remains to grow faster. You can also circle smaller snakes to trap them. Just make sure you have enough length to complete the loop safely. Watch your surroundings carefully so you don't crash into another snake while trying to attack. Try staying near clusters of snakes. It's risky but gives more chances to eat glowing orbs from fallen ones. Once you've collected enough food, play smart and control space. Other snakes will eventually crash into you. And that's how you can eat or defeat other snakes in snake.io.